What is going on, YouTube? What is up? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm your girl Shay. You are tuned into MakeupShae. How you doing? If this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my channel, y'all,
what's going on? Y'all are going to jail, period. What?
Then y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below, as well as tap that notification bell right next to the subscribe button and change it to all so you can be notified every time your girl Shay, that's me, uploads a video. Okay, and if y'all are my returning OGs, what it do, cuz what's up? Love y'all so much. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Thank you for watching another beat. Y'all as well, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot. Okay, so yeah, let's get into today's video. Today's video is all about my products that I brought recently. It's not a lot of products, so I'm just gonna go through what I recently purchased through the store and what I got through the mail for review. So if this is something you guys are interested in, please stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay. See y'all in the next clip. Stay tuned. Okay, so these are my goodies right here in this baggie. Some I brought from Walmart, some I found at Dollar Tree, some I got through the mail. So I'm just gonna go over briefly everything that is in this bag. It is not a lot of stuff, so this will be a short, quick, sweet video, I hope. Okay, so the first thing I got was from e.l.f. and this is their complexion sponge trio for precise coverage. This is what it looks like, and of course y'all know I had to get it because it got my favorite colors on there. Purple, all sorts of purples. So we got a big one, a medium one, and a really small one. So I'm going to use that small one probably to pack on the concealer on my lid, and then I'm going to use the bigger one for my under eye area, and then the big one for my face complexion. So I can't remember what I paid for it. I'm sorry. Like I said, I got it from Walmart. Oh, it is super soft right now. I wonder what it'd be like if it's like, it almost feel like this one, and I think this one is Original Beauty Blender. So yeah, that's really cool. Let me see if the other ones feel like that as well. Yep, the other ones feel like that as well. Nice and squishy. Get up in that crease, girl. Get up in that crease. Get up in them creases. So yeah, these are definitely gonna come in handy. So that was a very good purchase. If y'all got these, let me know what you guys think about them down below. Okay, so that is the first thing. Let me see where I could put this. I'm gonna put y'all right here. Okay, so for the second thing I actually got this in the mail, and this was from Influencer. If y'all don't know about Influencer, it is pretty much a makeup review website, and it has an app. So they pretty much send you products based on your profile and reviewing products and all that stuff. They send you products for you to review, take pictures, post on Instagram, post on your social media, and try it out. So the thing that they sent me was the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector. It has SPF in it, and this is in the shade F5-in-1 Walnut. This is what the color looks like, and I got to pick the color out on my own. And sometimes I really hate when you have to do that, because it is kind of hard to tell on the internet, online, what one will match you good. So I'm hoping that this one would match me good. I got a little bit of a deeper shade, that way if it don't, I could just, you know, neutralize it with concealer. But yeah, it might be good. I don't know, we'll see. So if you guys want me to review this foundation, or what is it, tinted moisturizer, let me know down below. This is for your everyday, I don't want to wear makeup but I want to look like I got a clean face type. So yeah, I'm very glad that they sent that to me. So thank you, Influencer. I will put that in my foundation box, my foundation drawer, I'm sorry. And then I have this was also sent to me from Influencer, but this is in the wrong shade. So this is medium 355W with warm golden undertones, and this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I know my twin did a video on this, and she had a different shade, so I'm thinking that's the shade that I need to get, because now I'm like her complexion now. I'm no longer lighter, but this is what this looks like. So I will probably put this in a giveaway. I'm not going to review it because I know the color doesn't match me, because y'all could look, just look at it. It doesn't match me. So I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway. So if you guys are interested, make sure y'all stay tuned for that, because I do have a giveaway coming up pretty soon, okay? So yeah, that is that one. I might just find my shade and then do a review on it. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, okay? So the next thing I got from e.l.f. is e.l.f. I need to get sponsored. Not sponsored, by the way. I pay for this with my own coins. Okay, this is the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. I was trying for the life of me to find the jelly primer, but every time I see it, it's always sold out and I cannot get my hands on it. So I figured this might be the next best thing. So it says it has hydrating vanilla mint scented jelly primer. So I'm guessing it's almost like it. So yeah, I got this one and I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, if you guys tried it out, let me know what you guys think. If you want a review on it, to let me know, and I will film that for you guys, okay? So the next thing I got was e.l.f. Jesus Christ, was e.l.f. And this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. It sets makeup and creates a soft focused blurred finish. I got this one in the shade medium. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the shade looks like. So it's a nice medium beige looking shade. And yeah, I needed a new setting powder. So yeah, it has a nice little turn thing and it's got a sticker on it. So that is cool. So yeah, if y'all want to see me do a whole review, like my face just full of e.l.f., let me know, because I feel like that'll be an interesting video. I just have to get more e.l.f. products in order for me to do that. So yeah, another goodbye, another goodbye. Okay, so the next thing is not e.l.f. This is, I got it from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So this is the LA Colors eye marker. This is a slim felt tip liner pen, and it says it is smudge proof. I got this one in the shade dark brown. It looks like this, and I got it because I am running out of my Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid liner that I use for my brows. So I got this as a replacement for my brows. So I hope it'll do it some justice. If y'all want to see how I do my brows with the liquid liner, let me know down below. But I think I did film that for my soap brows. So if y'all want to see my soap brow tutorial, I'll have it up in the card. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased was from Maybelline. This is their Maybelline Lifter Gloss. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is in the shade 007 Amber. It looks like this. So it's a nice little snooty shaded gloss. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, but it is pigmented. It has a nice opaque, pretty pinky, mauvey nude color. This is what that shade looks like right there. And that one is really, really pretty. The next lip gloss that I got was from Hard Candy. This is their Plumping Serum Volumizing Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade First Kiss, and it is a nice nudie pinky color. And it says it's supposed to be plumping. Let me see if this is opaque as well. This isn't as opaque. This is more like a sheer tint of color, but it's like a baby doll cotton candy pink right there. It smells good though. So we have that right there. Then the next thing that we have lip wise is, I got this from the Dollar Tree. It kind of matches what I'm wearing now. I've been looking on the hunt for a good matte burgundy type lipstick, and I figured every time I go to Crayon Case, their Murder Matte shade that I want is always out of stock. So I figured I would get this one and hopefully try it out, because I got the Broadway one that I got from Dollar Tree, and that one was way too light. It wasn't what I was going for. So I'm just trying to open it right now. This is in the shade Video Vixen. And I'm pretty sure they had a lipstick, like a regular lipstick, not a liquid one. This is high shine. Oh no, I thought it was a matte. This is like a glossy lipstick. This is like a gloss. Okay, so like I said, this is in Video Vixen. Oh no, okay, it might work. I don't know. This is more like a a plummy purple than a burgundy. So there it goes right there. I don't know. What do you guys think? In person, it looks purple red, but here it looks burgundy red. So, it's all right. And I can always just set it with my setting powder to matten it up. Okay, and for the last thing that I purchased was, excuse me y'all, sorry, was the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy Smooth Normal to Dry Skin. This is in the shade 360 Mocha, and it looks like this. And I normally use the matte and poreless one, but sometimes you want to go for a different look. You don't always want to look matte. So I want, and since my face is since my face has become a little bit more on the dry side since my pregnancy, I figured that this one might do me some good. So this was the Mocha one, 360, and it has vitamin E in it. It looks like this, It looks dark from here, but it's not. So yeah, can't wait to use that because I already have 368 in the matte and poreless one. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. Yep, that is it. That is all. I got an empties video coming up. Oh god, I did a nap. I got my empties video coming up to show you guys, and yeah, I think that's about it. My next OB appointment is coming up soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's all the new things that I got this month for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support, your love, everything. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.